You won't believe the size of this man. So I don't know what happened at the end of my last video where I was just, oh my god, it was halfway through I was just bored talking about it. I'm sure if you watched it, it was boring. Look, they can't all be fucking gems, you know what I'm saying? Fuck. I forgot what I was gonna say again. God dang it. God dang it. What was I gonna say? Fuck. I waved at that fucking bus driver and I forgot what I was freaking gonna say. Whatever. I need a frickin' shower. I'm a stinky boy. Stinky. I stink. Oh, I stink so good. Oh yeah, I stink so good. Let's see, today I edited and posted the 2 videos about firearms. We'll see how those go. Within the first 17 minutes, look, YouTube analytics I think are designed, or maybe it's just data, I don't know, but it makes you as a video maker, you could say a content creator, it really incentivizes you to make more, and it does help steer you in the right direction. You can see what people liked, what people disliked, what kind of shit got you more traction. For example, my homeless video got crazy amounts of fucking, for me, lots of views. Now, in the YouTube world, 1,000 views ain't shit. That ain't nothing, honey. But for me, I started doing this about 6 months ago, maybe. Probably not even that, actually. 6 months. Shit. Like 2 or 3 months ago, I started doing this. And if you look at my video count, I got a lot of fucking videos because I post almost 2 a day, sometimes 3. And I'm thinking about toning it down a little bit, just so, like the last video I just made, I'm not just making volume, which is helping me. You know, it is definitely helping. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, and to each and every one of those 90 something, I fucking love you, dude. I fucking appreciate you. I'm just some dude. I got a GoPro for fucking damn Father's Day. I figured, hey, I like to talk. I don't have like an announcer voice. Next time, I mean, I probably could, but my actual talking voice is a little high pitched for a fucking 34-year-old dude. I've got a weird like lisp, some sort of impediment, and you can probably hear it if you've been listening to me for a while. You probably don't hear it anymore. I barely hear it anymore. I used to cringe, and I know a lot of people do. You cringe at the sound of your own voice. It doesn't bother me anymore. You know, you edit enough hours of your own freaking voice, it just turns into another voice, which is kind of cool. I'll cringe at like when I couldn't do math the other day. But there's like a cool like thing that happens when you make a good video. You get there's like a sense of pride, and even if it's got views and comments and engagement, because it's like controversial, fucking whatever, dude. I mean, I got views, but here's the thing: is that opens my mind, opens my eyes to what else out there is just rage bait, you know? Oh, there's one. Hey, what's that about, y'all? Crackhead. Dude needs help. Guarantee you won't get it. You know, we don't need stuff like that walking around. Dude needs fucking help. Yeah, and see, I don't hate him. I don't hate him. I pity him. And what sucks is I fear for the people of in town that he might do wrong to. Because he's not in his right mind. Anyway, I digress. We talked about that already. We'll revisit that some other time. But that's kind of what we're talking about. That shouldn't be... It shouldn't be a normal thing. You know what I mean? But yeah, so back to making these videos and YouTube and stuff. I have a lot of fun making the videos. I have a lot of fun editing the videos, even though my edits are so simple. There's nothing really all that freaking crazy going on in my edits. You know, from time to time I'll throw a picture up, I'll add some text, you know, some sounds here and there. I've got, you know, you can download a bunch of freaking sounds for free off some websites. So the editing process for me is pretty quick. If I make a boring ass video, like my last video, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna outright say it. If you didn't watch it, that's fucking fine. I wouldn't watch the motherfucker either. It's boring as shit. I didn't say anything, you know. If though you do like, you know, listening to people and kind of hearing a little bit about their background, then, you know, that's one thing. And if you watched it and comment and like, I appreciate you, dude. I really do. But I wouldn't hold it against you if you're like, man, this fucking video sucked. Oh god damn it, what was I fucking... See, I need to get my... Shit, that's one thing I need to work on, is staying on topic and remembering what the fuck I was talking about. Oh yeah, the editing. I might not edit anything into that one. Just my typical intro music, intro video, the fucking, you know, the titles and all that shit, and the outro, and then done. You know, and then make a little thumbnail. I might make a thumbnail and just say, this one's boring. Or it'll be the fucking title or something of the video. I don't know. But yeah, YouTube does offer, like, help if you so choose to take it. I haven't watched any of those videos. I'm not saying I know everything, because I know very, very little, if not anything at all. But I get the gist with engagement. Make everything exciting. Everything should be exciting and sensational. When, you know, honestly, I'm kind of against that. You know, we've all done it. We watch a clickbaity ass video, and turns out there's fucking nothing of substance in it, and it's boring as shit, and you wasted your damn time. We've all been there, and I don't want to make videos like that. I will throw a clickbaity like little hook in there, because that's kind of what everybody does everywhere. But I'm not gonna fucking sit there and be like, you won't believe the size of this man's belly button. This guy's got the biggest belly button in the world. I'm not gonna do that, you know? He put what in his belly button? I mean, I've done a video like that, but it's satire for me. It's not, I'm not being dead ass. But I don't think I'll do that again. I might, but I don't like it. If I, you know, but, you know, I'm a human. Sometimes we're a little wishy-washy, you know? A lot of times I forget what the fuck I even said in these videos and have to watch them. If it's something I just made, which I do get on that sometimes. Sometimes I'll make all my videos for the week or something like that, and then I'll make them, you know, I'll edit them and post them and schedule them to be posted right after I get home. But since I got sick, which I'm just at the fucking ass end of this sick, you're cutting in a little tight there. Oh, I see why. Okay. What the fuck? I was saying something. Oh man, it's whenever I wave at somebody, my mind just wipes, bro. Shit. God damn it. Oh, that's one thing. So their most likely minors. They're high school, so 90% chance they're minors. I need to look at YouTube's policy on that. So I might, especially because they're not wearing shirts. That's going to be an issue. That's going to be an issue. Like, I get it. I get why it's an issue, but I'm kind of ticked that it is an issue. You know, not because it is an issue, but it's that there are people out there that will pause that video and get some sort of fucking freaky sick gratification out of it. Not cool. Not cool, fam. Not cool, fam. So, anyway. Yeah, so YouTube analytics, man, there's so much there. It'll tell me what time you watch my videos typically. You know, at first there's very little data to go off of at first. You know, like I was saying, I just threw up 2 videos a day for a while. I still do, sometimes 3, and you just kind of hope for the best. I'm just throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks. But now that I've got some history, I've got, what, 500 hours of watch time. I've got 90s, I think at the last check, 94 or something subscribers, 90 something. With thousands of views, which is fucking awesome. I never thought I would get that ever. You know, I thought I'd just be a nothing little, well, and for right now I am. I'm just a nothing blip channel. Who gives a fuck? You know? But if I keep at it, who knows what'll happen? You know what I mean? One thing that kind of holds me back is my location. There's nothing exciting happens. It's typically just me on the road alone talking. And now that it's winter, or I mean fall, or coming into fall, and soon to be winter, it's going to be dark more often than not. Now, one thing I am looking forward to is making my video that I'm planning on doing soon. One will be, how do you keep dry in rainy conditions? How do you keep warm in freezing conditions? And I'm not going to use freezing conditions as like a, you know, hyperbole. I mean legit, it's 30 degrees outside, it's 20 something degrees outside. How do I ride the Grom to work and back when it's freezing out? And I've done it, and I plan on doing it again. I will be riding as often as I possibly can. So yeah, get ready for that. That'll come up in about 3 months. What month is it? It's September? That's 9. Yeah, so 3. Okay, so it stopped my recording. I don't know why. What was I saying? I was just finished saying something about the cold weather riding stuff. Which, yes. Now, I don't have any purpose-built cold weather motorcycle gear. I kind of fashioned together what I already have, and go from there. So you'll see. A lot of stuff I have for cold riding is just layers. A lot of what I have for rain, you might have to buy. You know, I got a 2XL or whatever it is, like poncho, that keeps my backpack warm, dry, it keeps me dry, it acts as a little bit of a wind barrier. But yeah, so we'll talk about that more when the need arises. Tomorrow will rain in the evening, but it might not start raining until after I get home. But it pays to be prepared, and so we'll bring our layers for that. So yeah, so I do plan on making more engaging videos. in the future. You know, obviously I'm a motorcycle channel. I do a little bit of the bodybuilding stuff. Lately, since I've been sick, I'm not going to do any of that, just because, like, you know, when you get sick you lose weight, and I did lose a little bit of weight. I'm not, it's just kind of, it's just not, I'm not satisfied right now. I'm not very happy with, like if you watch some of my bodybuilding stuff, I don't look as good as I did then. Now, of course, the, you know, like the after pictures, I have a pump, you know what I mean? I'm also working on cutting down body fat right now, so it's hard to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Borderline impossible. So, yeah, that's something I'm doing. But anyway, yeah, thanks for listening to another video that's kind of boring. I mean, it's just about YouTube analytics, and there was that tweaker downtown. That was kind of fun, right? Next step, I'm going to take a shower and wash my stank ass, because I fucking reek, dude. Like, I stood up and smelled my sack, just wafting. You're welcome for that. And yeah, so, I fucking love you. I hope you have an excellent day today, or night, whatever time it is. And you get plenty of sleep. You eat plenty of good food. You get a little bit of exercise. That makes you feel fucking good. Wake up early, get some shit done before work or whatever, and hey, have a fucking good, excellent fucking day. And I'll talk to you in the next video.